Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. Recently, somebody commented on my channel and said, welcome back to my channel, and if you're oldie but goodie, then will unsubscribe. So I told them to please unsubscribe because that is my intro to all of my videos. That's what I say most of the time, and if I don't say it's because I didn't remember, okay, or I'm trying to get a video up very quickly. But anyways, I wanted to talk about this woman that they have arrested and charged for kidnapping the child from Jubilee Hospital. And me and hubby were discussing this specific topic, and I think there is more to the story and more that people are not divulging in and more that people are not talking about, but because this is very weird to me, and I'm gonna tell you why it's weird later on in the video. But let's get into the article. And it says, residents of the rural St. Catherine community said they are shocked and depressed that a member of their small, close-knit area has been in the news for child stealing. The woman was taken into custody by the Central Village Police last Tuesday after she turned up at the Registrar General's department to register a child. And if you guys don't know, that's where you get your birth certificate from, your marriage license, all of that in Jamaica. Subsequent DNA tests proved the child was the one snatched from the Victoria Jubilee Hospital on January 9th. She remains in police custody, and she actually have been arrested and charged. Now, they did her on a parole lineup, and she was actually pointed out, and so they arrested and charged her. One resident told the Star she was pregnant, so it was not surprising to see her with a baby up here. I can't believe that was the stolen baby. We shocked cause on the Monday we see her pass on the road with the child. I saw her and said congrats because everyone thought she couldn't have one, and now she have one. Is a sad thing and a bad thing she did, another resident said. Some residents said that this was unexpected because the woman is known to be a quiet person. According to several residents, the woman had miscarriages in the past. Some residents believe that the woman was clever to deceive her spouse. Another male resident said, then no must cause she draw him right in. The first thing me say when me see the baby is that she give him a jacket, cause the baby black and him brown. Something in a me spirit tell me, but me no say nothing. I know the whole thing shocking to me. One resident told our news team that she was shocked because person actually asked the woman about the stolen baby. Them asked her if she not hear about the baby with them thief, and she said thank God and hers, and she glad she bring home her baby because the whole time she not take her eye off her own, a resident said. But others told our news team that certain red flags were raised during the month the child was in the community. She was breastfeeding, and we found it strange. I buckled the baby again cause she tell some people she wasn't feeling well, another resident said. She was taking care of the baby cause when me see her, she deal with the baby properly. It just really sad, another resident said. She had the baby bottle? Yeah. She was giving the baby a bottle instead of breast. And there can be a lot of reasons why she's giving the baby a bottle. It's because she's HIV positive. It can be because she's on antibiotics, and also it can also be because it's not her baby. But what I find weird about this story is that she was actually pregnant. she was full-term pregnant. So my question is, and what people are not asking is, where is her baby? Did she have another miscarriage? Did somebody kill her baby in the hospital and replace her baby with the stolen one because they didn't want any more red flags to go off because one baby did already missing? So them use the missing baby to replace fear. Or she had a miscarriage, didn't know what to do, didn't know how to tell her spouse, and she went and stole the baby from Jubilee Hospital. There can be a plethora of things that could have been the reason why she have this baby. But my main question is, where is her baby? That's what nobody is asking. And if she actually had a miscarriage, she can actually have stolen that baby because of stress. When you lose a baby, or even when you have a baby, you have to be very aware of your stress levels after having a baby, because it can send you into depression. And if she actually had a miscarriage, that can be one of her lawyer's reason as to why she stole the baby. If she actually did steal the baby and somebody else didn't steal the baby and replace her baby with that baby. So those are my questions. Those are things that I need answered. I'm not gonna label her a baby thief just yet, because all the questions are not yet answered. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that she had a miscarriage, and she's known to have miscarriages, and she stole the baby from Jubilee? She didn't actually go to Jubilee to have any baby. She steal the baby because she had a miscarriage. Do you think that something happened to her baby in the hospital and either a nurse or a doctor replace her baby with the stolen one? Because everybody was under a microscope as far as babies were concerned. This was the second baby to go missing. So if something else had happened, a lot of people would have gotten in a lot of trouble, and they probably didn't want that, so they take a different baby and replace it and say a fear baby. Do you think that it was because of stress? That's why she stole the baby. What are your thoughts? What are the possibilities why this woman steal a baby while she was already full-term pregnant? Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.